record in the 39 years of history of ICA Dubai chapter. This could be possible only with the support of the executive committee who worked around the clock over the last 2 weeks to have this wonderful experience inside Coca-Cola Arena in Dubai. To thank UAE and our Emirati leaders and friends for their support and to celebrate the success story of UAE. Let us join together and celebrate the year of 50th of the United Arab Emirates today. I thank our Ambassador of India to UAE, His Excellency Pawan Kapoor, and Consul General, His Excellency Dr. Aman Puri, for their continued support and guidance for the chapter activities. Let us all be proud about the strategic relationship built by our Indian leaders with the UAE. And as members of the CA brand, let us not leave any stone unturned to build further on this relationship and work on the common interest and for the mutual benefits of both the countries. 26 speakers and 11 chief guest of honors addressed the members for reskilling during our main event. Almost in all CP events, we had the opportunity to hear many Emirati leaders, including His Highness Sheikh Rashid bin Humaid Al Noemi, His Excellency Sheikh Engineer Salam bin Sultan Al Qasimi, His Highness Sheikh Abdul Aziz bin Ali Al Noemi, Raja Al Masroi, Her Excellency Dr. Mariam Al Suwaidi, Mr. Jasim Siddiqui, and other Emirati leaders who shared their knowledge and wisdom. I wish to conclude my address with a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Let us embrace the change in our profession. Let us reskill and thrive. I wish you all the very best. Happy learning, happy reskilling. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.
Very good afternoon to all. It's really a pleasure to join you all for the Dubai Chapter's 2021 Annual Conference of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, whose dedicated members make up an important part of the UAE business community. This year's conference celebrates the UAE year of the 50th and welcoming the 75th anniversary of India's independence.
Throughout the year, respective ministers and officials from both sides have continued to have exchanges, especially in the areas of health, renewable energy, education and culture. And definitely also oil and gas, where we work very closely with our UAE colleagues who've been helping us through and before the pandemic.
Today, after more than a year, after the pandemic has struck and it is mutating and striking again and again, we realize that future looks uncertain, although it looks bright. But it is very difficult to plan for future in uncertain times when you do not know what will be the recovery and what will be the growth trajectory. At such a time, if we reskill ourselves.
Institute, we have a separate board, maybe one of the first of its kind in the world, called Digital Accounting and Assurance Standards Board, which is doing a lot of research on these areas and trying to find out how best we can reach out to the membership so that they can reskill themselves in a world which is dynamic and fast changing.
Go where there are no guarantees. Reskill and thrive. You will achieve bigger than your imaginations.
Generally, it takes 4 or 5 months to prepare for this kind of annual international conference of such magnitude, but our managing committee has made it possible in less than 2 weeks.
I pray to God our olden days should come back as early as possible. And after that, Atlantis Rotary Club program, I just stay nearby. I have not seen this hall. This is the first time I'm seeing it.
Now the digital revolution is taking place, and the continent of Asia with 4.7 billion people will dominate the next 100 years.
We are thrilled to see you all in person after 15 months. It's a quite long time. I firmly believe that one should not watch the clock, but do what it does to keep moving.
When we listen to motivational pep talks like this, we say, now we're going to change. Right? we're going to change our life. If it is to be, it is up to me. That's going to be the tagline for today. If it is to be, it's up to me.
Everybody put your hands up! ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਖ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਟੇਢੀ ਟੇਢੀ ਤੱਕਣੀ ਕਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਸਵਾਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ICAI ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਖੁਮ 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 ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ